Alright, here is one of the number one reasons why a Singer featherweight seems to freeze up on you all the time. Remove your bobbin case right here, and nobody oils. Every video around shows you how to oil your machine, but they don't explain that if you don't oil inside here, your machine's going to freeze up and you're going to have to go into the shop. So right in here, the machine is a little bit locked up. It won't really do anything. So what you do is, right inside here, see these two holes? You got to get oil in there. So we're going to put a little bit of oil there, a little bit there. Can't hurt anything. Get oil everywhere. It's not going to hurt. Let it penetrate for about a minute. Turn the hand wheel a little bit slower, and then it slowly will start to free up. I can feel it now. So now it's starting to free up. And so now I can step on the pedal, and it'll sound nice and smooth. But almost no video shows you. Put oil in there. That's the number one reason when I get a featherweight in and it's frozen, it's because nobody has serviced inside there. Nobody puts oil. So put oil right inside this area.